What Igbos are building in Lagos. Just watch this video. This thing you are seeing here is not residential. As you're watching it, it's like a state. This is warehouses. This is a warehouse where they are packing goods. Nobody is living here. This is inside market. This is trade fair, Lagos. Nobody is living inside this place. This place is where they are packing goods. Look at it. Tell me the reason why Lagos State or government will not be treating us the way they are treating us. This is the reason why majority will not agree for freedom. This is it. Look at it. Just keep watching. Keep watching. In this place, there are more than 2,000 houses. 2,000, more than 2,000. What is 2,000? It's more than 2,000 here. Just be watching. These are the ones that are still under construction. Just keep watching. You will see the ones that are being completed. This is one side of it. The other side of it, that place is pure estate. That place is pure estate with interlocking, everything. Just watch, look at it. If you hear the amount they are calling on this land, oh my, you marvel. But they will buy it, build this one. But if you come to the east, you will see empty plots everywhere, undeveloped. Just keep watching. Keep watching. Not skip any part of this video. These are the ones that are completed. Just I walk you through there, you will see it. This place you are seeing it has trees. It has different gates that leads to each street. This thing is pure estate they are building here, but it's mainly for warehouses. It's only warehouses. This place is pure estate, but it's mainly for goods. Look at it. Can you see it? Two-story building, two-story building, two-story building. Oh, you cannot see downstairs there. It's not possible. You cannot see one-story building there. It's only two-story building. Oh, see designs. See designs of warehouse. You can see it. You can see it. Please, as you're watching this video, please try to share it and drop your own opinion on comment section.
Una nugo maka Lion Business Park. Aya nugo fano na light my nugo. Ebe wepụtara iru nnukwu ahịa maka ọdịmma ndị Igbo ngabụ nke anyị o.
Hey! Lion Business Park and God's Agenda Production don't carry another ogbonge opportunity come again. This na Lion Business Park free trade zone wey dey for custom toll gate 9th mile Enugu State, Nigeria. This estate stand down on top 2,000 hectares of land wey they go take construct everything wey correct estate dey get, plus including more than 22,000 shops with thousands of warehouses and factories for business and industrial people. E never finish o. Central Business District go still dey, plus dry port, logistics hub and trailer park. Exhibition centers for manufacturers go still dey on ground, which means say no matter the business wey you wan do for the estate, everything wey you need to run am go dey inside. For inside this industrial hub, you no need to pay import or export duties at all o. This one na the sweet belle arrangement wey dey ground for you. What of residential area? God's Agenda Residential Estate dey for inside Lion Business Park with affordable houses for inside. Schools wey dey meet global standard plus ogbonge hospital sef, all of them dey. Enjoyment and relaxation nko, 5-star hotels go plenty for the estate, plus the Lion Amusement Park and the Lion Leisure Square for anybody wey wan go enjoy ogbonge relaxation. This estate go still get shopping arcade, different size of plaza, plus football pitch and tennis court. Security sef go tight with CCTV cameras and movement go smooth with traffic light and correct concrete road. Lion Park Estate dey accessible from Enugu Onitsha Expressway. This kind park na the first of im kind inside Africa. So wetin you dey wait now? Call God's Agenda on top 0803 635 9043 or 0806 611 6799. Make you find out more information about this park. Lion Business Park by God's Agenda Production. The future they start today.
O nwere nnukwu company na n'ijide ebube no n'aka na-ekwu n'ụwa niile no. Fa bụ ọganiru ndị Igbo n'isi no. dị mma na-adịfa mma. God's Agenda Production ụwa kasị akasị na ndị amarọzi aka ma ncha. God's Agenda Production n'unu zuru ka eme na ịchọrọ ịrụ ụlọ dị mma n'elu ụwa nụ kpọtụrụ God's Agenda Production na fa bụkwazi God's Agenda Properties, God's Agenda Estate Management in partnership with Lions Business Park, God's Agenda Cosmetics Business, Indiomani Jejemba, God's Agenda Foundation, God's Agenda Media. Na fa nọkwasị n'ihu akwụkwọ dị iche iche nọ. Jee na YouTube nụ. Enwere God's Agenda TV. Iwe lutezie na Facebook nụ. God's Agenda Production. N'ife dị mma o. Ị chọrọ ịlụ ụlọ dị mma. Ọwa afịa ka ị chọziri ịlụ nụ. Kpọtụrụ God's Agenda Production na fa zuru ka eme. Well registered and well verified. Ịlụsi ụlọ akwụkwọ dị mma nụ. Kpọba God's Agenda ka fa butere gị akwụkwọ ụmụ akwụkwọ ji agụ akwụkwọ nụ. They are also into book distributions in all schools. N'ọkwa na onye ụkọ fụ n'anya. Ọ bụ na ị chọrọ ịrụ ebe obibi ụlọ dị mma ka m gwa gị ndị ị ga-akpọ God's Agenda Production. Ọ bụ afịa ka ị chọrọ ịlụ chọba God's Agenda na fa na-eme ọfụma. God's Agenda Production. Afịa ọma na-ere onwe ya ndị God's Agenda unu zuru ka eme. God's Agenda Production. Ife ọ bụ na ị chọrọ ime ọtụwa God's Agenda na fa na-eme ọfụma. God's Agenda Production. Maka na ife agbanaka n'elu ụwa na ojokwu igobele ya God's Agenda. Ndị ọma. God's Agenda Production.